In this video, we will explore how to view running containers using the Docker ps command. This command is essential for monitoring and managing your Docker containers. The command is Docker ps. The basic Docker ps command shows only currently running containers. This command provides a quick overview of the containers that are actively running on your system. Simply type Docker ps in your terminal. The output of the Docker ps command includes several columns that provide important information about each container. Let's take a look at some of the key columns. The first column is Container ID, which is a unique identifier for each container. The next column is Image, which shows the base image used to create the container. The third one is Command, which displays the command that is currently running inside the container. The fourth one is Created, which indicates when the container was created. The fifth one is Status, which shows the current state of the container, such as running, exited, or restarting. The sixth one is Ports, which displays the port mappings for the container. To view all containers, including those that are stopped, use the Docker ps-a command. This command shows all containers, regardless of their status. This is helpful for seeing containers that may have exited or stopped running. The command is Docker ps-a. Docker ps command offers several options to customize the output. Let's explore some common options. First, Docker ps-q shows only the container IDs. This is useful for scripting or when you only need the container IDs. Next, Docker ps-l shows the latest created container. It helps to check the most recent container you have created. Finally, Docker ps-no-trunc, don't truncate the output. This ensures that the full output is displayed without any truncation. Here's an example of the Docker ps command output. The container ID column shows the unique identifier for each container. The image column displays the base image used. The command column shows the command that is running inside the container. The created column indicates when the container was created. The status column shows the current state of the container, and the ports column shows the port mappings. Using Docker ps command helps in monitoring container status and resource usage easily. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.